Hi there, it's Roy Breton here, sometimes known as the Christian Internet Marketer. As some of you may know, I've been working on this site, Roy's Plants and Flowers, and sort of documenting everything I do. It's taken a bit longer than I'd like to, like everything. It takes time, and I've got other projects, other websites, and an offline business. So basically what I want to talk to you today is about product sets and the configuration of product sets. So let's go to, we're in our WordPress dashboard, let's go down to to product sets and configuration. Now this is where we can configure what we have in our search. So most of this I've left the same, but this is what I want to change, the default search setting. So I can't remember if I've changed this before or not, but let me show you what I mean. So let's go to add product set just to explain a little bit more. So if we want to add a product set, we put our title in here, etc. And here we've got a description and contains, and we can add filter. So I could add, what I normally have is has image, and we can add as many filters as we want, to be fair, but I want to change the description, and at the moment my default is this. So let's go back to where are we? Configuration. Nearly forgot myself. Product sets and configuration. So this is basically the default I have at the moment. So let's change this one to I'm going to change it to the product name. Yeah. Then I'm going to add a filter. It kind of comes down as description. I'm going to put has image. Set that for yes. Now I'm not going to add anything else. Sometimes I add them manually, but we have a choice of all sorts of things: brand, tags, category, currency, network. So that there are all sorts of options. Merchant, so we can select which merchant we want. Actually, I haven't done this. Isn't yet, I see. So I don't want that. It's not relevant from what I'm doing. So at the moment we're just going to stick to this. And we're going to save those changes. Now that's done, so that's saved. Now this is like I haven't changed anything else here. Products per search 100. That seems to work okay. General update settings I've left the same. There are some advanced settings. There's this setting here, update interval every 7 days. Haven't changed that. Cron interval, you can speed that up. Depends what your hosting's like. If you set it for more than every minute, it may not be able to cope unless you've got particularly good hosting. So I'm actually going to leave that the same. You can always try it and see what happens. When you're doing a new website, sometimes products are slow to upload. In fact, I'm in the process of uploading products now, and they can take some time, but it's okay. It works. So anyway, let's get back on track to what I was doing. So we've now configured this, and so let's go to add new product set, and it should show these, and it does. So we can put in our search here whatever we want. And if we want to add another filter, we can. And if at any time we want to change these, we can just go back to the configuration settings again. Anyway, I hope that helps. I'm making quite a few videos as and when I get time on Datafeedr. I would say I'm an expert. I used it once a few years ago, and I've now been using it probably now for about a year or just over. I can't remember exactly. But I'm still learning things, but I'm kind of sharing things as I learn them. And if you've got any questions, I will try and answer them. I'm going to put this into a YouTube video, so you can, you can like our channel, make a comment, or whatever. And also at some point we'll upload this to the website as well. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.